This is a full guide to using keyboard shortcuts for beginners in Davinci Resolve 18. Let's get started. Got to say, make sure when you're doing your keyboard shortcuts you hold on to each button that you're using at the same time. So if you want to activate the blade edit mode tool, with that you just have to press B1. But with the linked selection tool, you have to hold on Control, Shift and L to activate it. I forgot to add in the video, just make sure you're holding on to each button, otherwise it won't work. Number 1, how to get onto the keyboard shortcut page. So the keyboard shortcut page is if you'd want to change different letters or numbers on your keyboard shortcut, or you can see which one's which. So to get to it, you need to press Control, Alt and K, and it would look like this. So keyboard customization, and you have all of these options here, and you can just scroll down or you can search up one. Number 2, split clip. So splitting a clip is actually really easy. All you need to do is go line up your playhead, so this red line, to where you want, and press Control B and it splits your clip. Tool number 3, cut clip. So you could just do backspace and take away that clip, but there'd be a massive gap, so if I do it here. But if you press Shift and backspace at the same time, not only it will delete that part of the clip that you don't want, but it will move all your other clip together so it's all connected, so there isn't just a gap, then you have to move them all. Tip number 4. So tip number 4 is undoing a clip. So let's say you've messed up, you've moved this clip too far in with this one and you want to undo it, but you don't want to get all of your clip. If you hold on to Control and Z, it will undo what you have just done, and you can go really far back. So from when we just cut that clip, that's now undone. Copy and paste. So this is 2 tools that can be quite useful. Use Control C to copy and make sure you press on the clip that you want. Then you move over to a bit where there's no clips and press Control V to paste. Tool number 7, tools. Okay, now that might sound a little bit weird. Tool number 7 is tools. But things like blade edit mode, you press B to activate, that kind of thing. And to activate your cursor, you would press A. To do things like trim edit mode or dynamic trim mode, or even things on, let's say, the Fairlight page, to access tools, you can either press on it, or you can press like R for the range mode thing. Or for split clip, you do Control B, actually do it. With that kind of thing, just have a go with some of the. Tool 8, adding a node on the color page. So to get to the color page, go over to here to where it says color and press on it, and then this is the color page. If you haven't used the color page before, or you're new to it, I have a video on how to use the color page, which I'll link in the description if you would like to see that. But here we have notes, and if you use, let's say, the custom tool just here, if you add a note by doing Alt and S, you can redo like just what you've done. Like let's say you wanted to use color whopper tool on this one and then curves customs on here to increase the brightness, you could just do it separately on each one. So it's like saying I can also use the color whopper tool in here, I can use the color whopper tool twice, and to reset any of this stuff just press this button here that says reset all for your stuff, but you have to go into each page and do it. You can't just like press it once and then it does the whole thing. And if you want to delete it, just press backspace if you do want to delete it. Now our last 2 tools, we have play and pause. So you press space to play, and then again you press space to pause. You can do /key to play as well, and then space to pause if you want, but you might as well just do space. You can go like that. If you are interested, I have a video on how to use the color whopper tool in Davinci Resolve 18, which I think you should check out right now.